Hey Insulators, we are just south of Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Met Richard and Derek out here, and they purchased a CM1500 from us, as well as the entire wall spray package. And so we had a great experience out here, an opportunity to train with them. You guys picked this up so fast. I mean, the challenge with this is that you have two people loading a machine and spraying at the same time. It is very hard to keep up with the machine to begin with. How did you feel about the wall spray?
Once we got it picked up, it went pretty smooth. You know, trying to keep up with the machine's the hardest.
I came out here to train you, but man, within 15, 20 minutes, felt like you guys knew what you were doing, and within the hour, you guys were rolling. What do you think is the best part of today that you learned that you did not realize before we came out here?
Well, running the sprayer, I would probably say the volume, pressure, the blower motor speed versus the moisture. It's a trick to learn how it stays in the wall with less water or more water, higher pressure or less pressure. And like you were saying, that could be a lot of the product, but that was the biggest trick. Learning how to run the hose side to side, fill the cavities, the California corners, that wasn't the problem. Mostly it was the moisture in the blower, getting used to it, how to read the wall, and then how to tell Derek how to adjust the machine. More wet, more dry in the machine as we're going, because he was over there mixing it on top of running it and raking it. Definitely ideal for a 3 or 4 man crew, not a 2-man crew. For the most part, I think that was the hardest part.
As you can see, we have the machine actually in the very room that we were working in. That's one of the nice things about having the portable machines. You're able to do that. We appreciate your business, appreciate you purchasing the equipment and having us out here to do some training.
You bet.
And getting to meet you and getting to meet your dad, who is one of the pioneers and the founders of this whole process. It's kind of neat. So we're all covered in cellulose. It's been a real good, hard-working day, and we enjoyed every minute of it, I think.
You bet.
Yes.
It was nice for you to come down.
Well, the best part is we're not itchy.
Yeah, you're not itchy.